For targets, low risk ideas that are on the swing trade 1 day at a time frame for July 22nd. The first one is Tesla. Dramatically oversold, tight range, good strong move available to the 10-day and 30-day high. But if it collapses, then the breakdown of all this support makes it lucrative on the bottom side. Next one is Walmart. Same thing, only better. We got the small range, ends in a doji, near support, long, strong move back to the 30 SMA, favorable reward to risk in both directions, low risk trade. Next up is Oracle. This is a classic example of that same trade pattern. Very harsh sell-off from 250 to 125. That 50% sell-off in a tech bro giant. The 30-day range is extraordinary. 10-day range, not so much. The 5 days compressing. We get a quiet day right here. That looks like a bottom. The RL10 is bottoming out. And the RL30 is in the 6 o'clock position, ready to become an owl. That's a low-risk trade right there in both directions. That's Oracle. And McDonald's. Now, this was a harsh sell-off from the 30-day high twice, so it's very much in play. Look how big the range bars are, and it closed poorly. Had a 30-day low today, so if it breaks down from here, it's a short no-brainer. But if it supports here, 263 to 275 is a 5% move on something that every large cap value player has to buy, have in their portfolio. So you can see that this is a Godzilla trade down here at all-time lows. So McDonald's, great value play. Swing trade that 1 day at a time.